All right, this is Jason with Classic Touch Floor Care and coming to you doing a commercial carpet cleaning and some VCT tile stripping and waxing. Right here, this is the last room. I'll show you the rest of it a little bit later in the video, but just wanted to show you the process from start to finish with vacuuming. Got my Pro Team backpack vacuum. Just picked up a couple days ago, ready to rock and roll on this room right here. So I wanted to show you that process, and you can see just how well this vacuum dominates commercial carpet. If you don't have one and you have a business, I highly recommend it. If you do regular vacuuming, just strap it on your backpack and go. It is awesome. Here we go. All right, so I got the vacuuming done, and I've just gone and sprayed this with our commercial carpet pre-spray, and which starts working immediately. It's already looking better. And now we're gonna scrub it with, this is our encapsulating pad, scrub pad. And this is gonna make it look really sharp. It's gonna take out those stains that you can see down over there in the carpet. Should take them out. And it just scrubs carpet in all directions, 1,500 rotations per minute. All right, so here we go. All right, so that right there is called encapsulating. So if you're gonna get your carpet encapsulated, we would stop at that process, and you can see, you know, it's clean. There's nothing wrong with it. Any of the remaining dirt that has combined with the cleaning solution will dry and can then be vacuumed up in the following days and weeks with your regular cleaning process. Or you can also get our pad capping process, where now I put this soft or this microfiber pad underneath. And now we're gonna pull out some of the dirt that we just loosened up. So this is the last step that can be added, usually with dirtier carpets, as needed. This will also help it dry a little bit quicker, although regular encapsulating process with the fiber pad will dry within an hour, no problem, as it is. This might shorten it up to maybe a half hour, 45 minutes. It just gets out any remaining moisture and soils. That might still be left in your carpet. So easy, I can do it with one hand. All right. So that is a low moisture cleaning process on commercial carpet. Look at how beautiful that looks, like it's brand new. Got a little piece of tape here, but that's the end capping process with the pad capping, extraction. And at the very end, we'll tip this over. Let's look at the soils that we've pulled out. You can see on the edges where it was clean, and all the other soils are in this pad and also in the foam inside the pad. This was what I did earlier in another room. And so that'll get washed out, cleaned up, and ready for a new job. This is the bottom of our scrub pad. You can see all the fiber or all the dirt and soil that was taken out of that. There's the middle. And it's a great process, works fast and is affordable. So I'm gonna walk you through the rest of the job here. Here's some VCT tile that has been really worn, hasn't been cleaned or waxed, and who knows, maybe since it was put in, to be honest with you. I don't see any shine on this at all, so all the wax is really kind of probably worn off. And this is the rest of the job today. We've already done all of these rooms. And you can see how great it already looks. There's an extra pad there in case I needed it. Did the front office rooms. Front hallways, a couple more rooms here. And right here. So there are some spots where the carpet's worn. You can see right here where there was a chair mat, and as people walked in and out and then sat in their chair, which is those plastic mats that you roll your chairs on, they protect the carpet. The areas that were unprotected got a little more worn. They're still clean, but they are worn, and the areas that were covered are protected. So, looks fantastic here in Buffalo Grove, and excited to help you out if you need any commercial carpet cleaning or VCT strip and waxing. I'm gonna put that probably in a separate video. And I've got other, if you search my channel for VCT strip and wax, I've got other videos on that too. So anyway, great hanging out with you all. Thanks for watching. give me a call, 618-765-3657. This is Jason Honstadt with Classic Touch Floor Care. All right, so I'm gonna just kind of talk a little bit about our VCT process here. And this is step one, where we've put the wax stripping solution on the floor, and now I'm going over it with a scrub pad, black scrub pad, and the rotary machine. And this really, you can see the dirt that is getting picked up here that is getting taken off the floors, and you can see how clean and nice looking it looks right underneath the floors there. So we're going to go over the whole floor. This one room, it was just a small room, 160 square feet, so not very big, but a nice process to show it. See that white ring I've got around my machine that keeps splashes from going over on carpet or on baseboards, really helps keep the mess down. So this is the scrubbing process. And then after it's scrubbed, we're going to vacuum up that slurry, which is all the dirt and stripper that's left on the floor. And then we're going to mop it a couple times, make sure all of the old wax and dirt is removed and it looks nice and clean before we put on our final 4 to 5 coats of wax on the floor finish. And so you're going to see some pictures here at the very end of what it looks like. I didn't take video of putting the wax down or anything like that, but look at that shine at the end, how nice that looks. That's the finished product of a strip and wax VCT tile.